Hello everyone. In this D365 CRM video series, today we will review the UI or the user interface. As you might be aware, I'm producing a complete video series available in both English and Tamil. For details about the playlist, please refer to the description below the video. In the last video, we discussed the Power Apps has three types of apps. The first one is a portal, is distinct from the other two. In the case of the remaining two, CRM and ERP utilizes model-driven app. Remember, model-driven app uses a dataverse and has a predefined UI, which means all the models has similar UI. In video 2, we cover the basics of the CRM sales process, which has a lead, opportunity, account, and contact along with the activities. It's important to have a structured system in place, right, to store all these informations. Let's discuss more on this. We collect and store specific information throughout the process. Say, for example, lead, right? We collect a basic information about the person and then interest. They may have a company name as well. After multiple calls, meetings, and follow-up, the lead is converted to opportunity. So in this space, we have an option to create account and a contact either manually or automatically. So in this case of account is simple as an organization or a company. Contact is a person whom we are having in discussing with this. We may have more than one contact in this whole process. So in this case, SAM LLC is an account, which is the organization name. So industry is manufacturing. In this case, we have two contacts. John Smith, he is IT manager, and another contact, Jan Doe, he is a CFO, right? So in each account may have more than one contact. So along the whole process, throughout this process, we have a lot of interactions, which is activities, right? So the activity is tied to any one of the table or entity. So we may have an email, phone call, meeting, fax, and some internal notes. Let's review the user interface. In video 3, we discussed how to create a trial instance using an Office or official ID or by creating an E5 developer program template. So you may store the URL for the trial instance. If you don't have the URL, no worries. We'll find out what is that URL. To do that, to open a trial environment or to open the trial instance, open a private or incognito window. And I just open here and then type admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com. Okay. In this case, already I logged in. In this case, you may need to enter your either official ID or whether if you created a E5 the developer program, you may need to enter the email ID which you created newly. Once you entered here, and then the left navigation, click on the environments, and then in this case, I already created a sales trial. Open the sales trial. That's the environment, and then we can find the environment URL here. Just click on the URL. That's where the URL trial instance will be created. Now the application completely opened. So here is the left navigation. So home, recent, customers, sales. These are the left navigation, and then the customers and sales, it's called groups. So here account and the contacts are grouped together as a customer. Leads, opportunity, competitors are grouped together as a sales. So in the left navigation side, we can be able to group together for a couple of tables or the entities. In the top bar, we have Sales Hub, that's called app. In a single environment, we may have more than one application or one apps. So in this case, sales team member, this application or this app is specific for a team member. And then Sales Hub, we may allocate this application or another application specific to manager or regional directors. And also we can able to create new apps on any environment based on our needs. Okay, let's close here. Already the Sales Hub is already we selected. That's how we are looking at this application. The left navigation side, if you click on dashboards, already we have a predefined dashboards available. Still we can able to customize, and also we have a many dashboards available here. So this one is a specifically on activity dashboards. Another one is a sales dashboard. So dashboard is nothing but basically kind of an insight about your sales process. Okay, so in the each component here, now we can able to customize it, and also we can able to create new dashboards. In the sales process, we discussed leads, opportunity, account, and contact. To view the leads, you can click on the left-hand navigation side, click on leads, and then it displays the consolidated data on the view. We have a multiple views already out of the box is defined. Still, we can able to create our own. To view the record, click on the record, and then you can see here is the tabs. This is called summary, details, files. These are the tabs, and then inside each tabs we have a multiple sections like a contacts, company. Each one is a sections. And then here this one to qualify, develop, process. This is called business process flow. Okay, the business process flow is kind of the stages. It tells where exactly currently in the process wise. So right now this leads in a qualify stage, and then once it's qualified, then it will move to develop stage, so that we can able to view the stages on each one of the record here. The same way we can able to view leads, opportunity, contacts, and account. If you click on accounts, you can take a look at the similar structure. Like this one is a view. It's a consolidated accounts. It has a multiple views. Still, we can able to create our own. To open a record, just double click it, and then it has our own tabs. We can able to create our own tabs as well. And then each one called here in account information, address, everyone is in a sections. To edit the record, we can just open any of the record, just double clicking here, and then we can able to edit the record, just changing the data, and then save and close. And if you look at here, when you open a record, it has a own menu bar. Okay, there's a context space, and then we can able to see that different actions on this account record. Same way, if you go to contacts, it has a own menu. It has a own context base. It has a own menu bar. Still, we can able to customize it, which buttons we want to enable it, view it, those kind of things. Still, we can able to configure it. To create a record, we can able to create a record, or in this case create a new contact by clicking a new, or we can able to create using another called quick create. So there's two ways to create a records. Say for example, when you are on a contacts view, we can able to create a new records from here, or the other way around. It's called quick create. The top menu bar in the plus symbol, we can able to create an account or contact here. Let's click on account here, and then we can able to here. So I'm just going to test, and then just save and close. In the sales process, we discussed we have activities or multiple follow-up will go when the lead will convert to the opportunity. So when we open a record on a leads, for example, and then we can open each record or one of the record, and then click on the menu bar, and then click activities. That's where we can able to see it, all the activities like a phone call, email, meeting, task, and notes. All of them we can able to view it from here. In CRM, we have another concept called a timeline. So the timeline gives us what event or what action is happened specific to this account in this case. So in this account is a Datum Corporation. If you look at it, is a timeline when the record is updated, what phone call, all kind of interactions, basically it shows in the timeline. And so when the user looking at the record, it shows all of the information. In CRM platform, we have a couple of search. One is a quick search, another one is a global search, and the third one is it's advanced find. So when you are in a view, say for in this case, we are in account, my active accounts, and then you can see in the right top corner, you have a search bar. And then when I search here, say for example, INC, and then maybe find out, because now it's a wildcard, put some star here, this searches, right? So the INC, it searches within these accounts. So this is called quick search. The second one is a global search, which in the top menu bar, you can see the search icon. And then here I can say INC, and then it finds out, same thing, it will go to the wildcard search. And then this may find that same INC, it finds accounts, contacts, and then leads, right? So the previous one was searching only within the view, and now it searches the global. The third one is advanced find. So we can click on the funnel icon, and then I'm here to search in advanced find using an account. The difference here is this, in this search advanced find, we can be able to filter or search using multiple actions like here. So in this case, owner equal to current equals to current user, and the status equal to active, and then I can add a more filter here. So I can say account name not contains the data. So, and then I can remove it. Just say apply. So in this case, I can able to apply multiple things. That's kind of advanced find. So there is a 3 searches. One is a quick search, and another is a global search, and then third one is advanced find. So the next one is in the left navigation side, we can find recent item. Now all the any record, whatever we are looking at it, and also we can able to pin any one of the items here. Say for in this case, basically I'm going to say my open leads, I'm just pinning out, and then another account or something I can able to pin either the view or the individual record when we click on a pinned one. So I can say it's when you want to do a follow-up or something, you can pin it out so that it for easy navigation. So in the CRM model, we can do some personalizations. To do some personalization, for example, here click on a settings icon. We can do some personalization. Say for example, how many records you want to display in a view, what is your default table you want to show them, what's your time zone, and then all some kind of personal settings we can able to do it in this settings. Today we learned about the user interface, how we can navigate the records to see the timeline and then activities, and then do some search, and then kind of do the personalization. And then now next, how our learning tracks look like. We learned the CRM, sales process, and then environment setups. The last week we learned Power Platform. Today we gone through that user interface. Next we will discuss additional examples. See you on a next video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the learning.